Welcome to the Funeral Program Site Questions and Answers video series. Today's question is, what should be on the front of a funeral program? The front of a funeral program is the first thing people see and can set the tone of the entire printed memorial. Often the cover page includes the name, birth and death dates, and a chosen photo of the loved one. It can also be accompanied by a favorite scripture, inspirational saying, or quote. A title such as In Loving Memory or a celebration of life is often noted and placed above the photo. It is important not to cram too many photos or text on the front cover so it is easy to read and professional in presentation. The front of the funeral program will also contain a graphic, image or frame in the background. This background image can be a subtle extension of the loved one's personality, favorite hobby, or special place. You can also choose to just keep it simple with a plain white backdrop, without any graphical image at all. Thanks for watching. See you next time in another answer and question video only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.